What's up, everybody? I'm back for another video. I'm just sitting outside listening to the nature. Just listening to the birds sing. The sound of nature is peaceful. Do you like to sit outside and listen to the nature? I love the sound of nature. It's so peaceful. Yep.
No.
I'm not putting you in the video. Just leave this video a thumbs up and a comment down below if you like to sit outside and listen to the nature. And I have some shoutouts to do. Mike Miller, Brian Jones, James J. Snipes, Peace for Game 233. And I think that's it. And we'll be back for another video. Probably in a couple days or next week. See ya. Peace.